Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I declutter my space. It is too full of garbage and a lot of things that I never used, and I just can't stand it. So I started to remove everything that I will never use. You know, as artists, we normally get things, oh, don't throw it out, I might do things with it. No, really, you just keep piling up, and there's garbage all around you, and it's impossible to think and get inspired and create while your space is too crowded, full of things that you don't use. So this video today is all about how I'm gonna make my space very minimalistic and very clear so I can paint again. So this is what this side looks like, and I like it better because I have the whole entire wall over here, and I'm gonna have the table in the middle, and I'm gonna have space here. I felt that having this shelf and this shelf on the other side, it was crowding me a little bit too much. So let's keep working. I have so much to do. There is so much garbage that I have to put out, so let's get right into it. So one thing for sure I learned on my art career journey is like watching YouTube videos and stuff, and you get very excited with things. And I got this cute little portable easel that I never use. I brought it to Italy once and I never used it. So think about next time when you want to purchase something because someone else is okay with it, but you really don't need it, so garbage. So I have all of my ceramics and pots and everything over here. I do all of the dry flowers and plants and garbage and paper receipt and everything that was inside, and I'm gonna put it on this shelf over here. So yes. I'm not even close to be done, but I already can see a lot of space. So this table here is from IKEA, and I can lift it up and down or just put it apart anytime I want, which is nice. And I have all this wall here just for me to be able to think. It's nice and wide, I don't have nothing going on. And then over here I have all of my supplies and all of the stuff, and over here I'm going to show you all the garbage minus the 3 big bags that I have outside. So all of this is garbage, all of it. And then behind this door, I am sure everything is garbage. So let's find out. Yeah, I had to organize a lot. And I probably had to throw out a lot of garbage. So let's get right into it. So now I'm able to walk around and don't feel suffocated with too much stuff. And I have my table to work with, and I have a lot of space in here. If I want to use this wall to put paintings and stuff when I'm done, it's awesome. I have my desk over here, and again, ta-da! That's it for this video today. I'm very excited that I have all of this space behind me for me to relax and think about my next painting. And I have my table over here, and I can move around without feeling, oh my god, I don't have space. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching, and if you're back, thanks again. Next video obviously is going to be about painting the seascapes from Puglia, Italy. I was there for a month, so it's going to be amazing. I can wait. So that's it for today. Thank you so much, and till then.